Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Start Coding Class. In previous video we have already inserted the data when we are enter some data in title and content box. So and click on create post, so it will be automatically inserted into our database. So in this video we are going to see when we are going to click on this edit button, so data will be displayed in title and content box, and then this create post will change update post, and when we doing some changes in that title and the content, and when we click on this update post, so it will be updated successfully. So let's start. So first of all we need to go to our VS Code. So in VS Code you can see there is the edit button. When we click on edit, so on the basis of ID, so it will fetch the data from this database table, and it will be displayed in title and content box, and this button also will be changed to create post to update post. Okay, so we have to do some changes in this PHP CRUD.blade.file. So let's go now start. So for this we are going to write wire click, same as in the form tab you have written wire submit. So in the same we are going to create a fire action on the click event. So that's why we are going to write wire colon click. Okay, edit, we will call a function edit, or inside this we are just going to write that post ID. Okay, so I think there is some problem. Okay, we have missed that double quotes, so I am going to just add this double quotes. Now it is okay. We need to create a function in post CRUD dot php. So this store function is end here. So now the next line public function edit. Inside edit we are just getting that ID. Okay, if you want to print that ID, so just write ID $ID. Okay, so so when I going to click on this edit, the ID will be printed. So you can see the last one ID is 16. So and the content is third test title and third test content. So we are going to write the code to display the data in this text box, title, content, and also we will change this update create post to update post. So we will going to do in this function. So let's start. So first of all we are going to fetch the data from the dashboard with that particular ID. So we are getting ID from this $ID. So we have already a model post, so we will use find or failed. So now I think everything is okay. So now I am going to click on edit, and you can see the data is will be available in this attribute. Inside attribute you can see third test title and ID is 16 and this one. So you can see the we are successfully fetched data from the dashboard, and only I have to do is we have to show data in title and content. Okay, so let's go. So I'm going to comment this. So dollar this title is equal to dollar post title and dollar this content is equal to dollar post content. So content and I am going to create a ID for that. So dollar post ID. So post ID dollar this post ID is equal to dollar post ID, and also I am going to change this edit button na? So I will create a condition for this also. So when we will create click on this edit na, so this text will be changed to create to update. So for this I am just going to create a is edit is equal to true. Okay, so I am going to create this also here, dollar is edit. Okay, so now I think is edit. Okay, so no is edit will be public, and its default value is false. Okay, and I'm just going to, now it's okay. So I'm just going to put a condition in our blade for the edit button. So simply I am going to just write a condition for this. So when is edit is true, then it will be update post, and in else condition it will be create post. If it will be false, then it will be create post. Okay, so now it's okay, and I have to also change this method also. Okay, we will change that later, but let's go. Need to check this. So when I am going to click on this edit button, so you can see the three thing we have to do is we have to change fill the value in title, fill the value in content text box, and we have to change this button create post to update post. So when I am going to again refresh it, you can see create post, and when I am going to edit on this edit button, so the value will be placed in this text box, whatever the value of this post. So and the button will be update post. Okay, so now I have to next step is if I going to change anything, suppose anything, if I going to change, and when I am going to update, click on update post, so it will be updated in our database. So okay, let's go. We need to change some into our blade.php also, because by default it in this time it is calling only a store. So we need to call the another function update also. When is edit is there, then it will call update, and when is edit is false, then it will call a store. So I'm something like this condition is edit, this types of condition I will going to create there. So when I am going to and when I am when is edit is edit is when is edit is true, then it will be update. When it is false, then it will be a store. So a store means insert data, and update means update data. Okay, so let's go in our controller post CRUD.php, and now we have to create a function for this also. Public function update. So and we have to do something same like insert also. So in insert we are using this dollar this validate, or so we need to do the same thing required, and also when need to check the ID is coming or not. So for this we need to check dollar this post ID, because we have already this post ID na. So we are just going to check if post ID is there, then we are going to update the data. So for this we need to fetch the data. Dollar post is equal to post find dollar this post ID, and now we are going to call the update function. So dollar post update, or inside this we are going to take array. So title dollar this title content dollar this content. So I think the data will be updated, and the same way which we have created a session flash message, so we are going to create the same way in update also. So we are just going to copy paste, and only we are going to change this created to updated, post updated successfully, and this will be reset input will be call. This reset input is also we are going to, so in reset input also we have add some more fields like post ID, id is equal to blank and dollar this is edit is equal to false. So let's go, let's check this it's working or not. So I am going to click on this edit button, so data is updated. And so when I am going to add something, I am adding something, updated data, and also the same way updated data. Okay, so when I am going to create on update post, so it will be happen that there is a message will display here, and the this text box will be empty, and this button will be create post, and the updated value will be displayed here, and the inside database also the value will be displayed. So let's go 1 2 3. So when we have clicked on this, you can see title content box is empty, and the updated value is display here without the page refresh. And in the database, when I am going to refresh it, you can see the updated value is inserted, or you can updated data is 30. So today is 30 June, so updated data is 30. Okay, so I think everything is okay. So let's even to check some other data also. So when I am going to click on this second test title, so it will be display here, and I am going to write here second title updated data. Okay, and second content updated data. So when I am going to click on update post, so message will display, text word will be empty, and the value will be without the page reload, it's display. So you can see second title updated data is here, and everything is working fine. In our database also you can see second title updated data or second content updated data is displayed. So to when we going to click on edit button, so data will be display in this box, and the button will be changed to update post. And when we are doing some changes and in title and content, and when going to click on update post, so it data will be inserted into our database, and all the message is display here, and the text box will be empty, and the without page reload the data will be display in this section all posts. So I think it's we have done for today. So thanks for watching this video. So if you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe the channel, and also hit the bell icon to get latest updated video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.